Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you everything about the Foreo Luna 2 that I have been using for the last 3 months. Now, this is the blue one. This is for combination skin. They come in 4 different variants for specific skin concerns. For combination skin, there is one for oily skin, for sensitive, and for normal skin. Now, the Foreo Luna 2 is a Swedish brand. It's a 2-in-1 enhanced T-sonic cleansing brush with an anti-aging system. So the front side helps in eliminating any sort of blemishes and blackheads that you have, and the reverse side helps in your anti-aging concerns. So this side is the gradated brush for cleansing. So this is how I like to use it. I wet my skin and then apply a little bit of face wash. I massage it all over my face and wet my Luna 2 a little bit. The bristles are gentle enough and effectively cleanse your skin. The center button obviously is to switch it on and off. The plus and minus sign is obviously to increase and decrease the intensity of the pulsation. And then I just gently massage this in a circular motion all over my skin. I do not press it hard on my skin at all, and I try to focus on my T-zone, especially around the nose area. This also tackles blackheads and also restores the skin's natural radiance at the same time. And then once that's done, I just rinse my skin off with lukewarm to cool water. And then I use the anti-aging side, and now this helps in tackling visible signs of aging. Make sure that the pulsations are on, and I usually do this all over my skin, but I like to focus this around my eye area, around my lip area, and on my forehead. These are the areas where you see first signs of aging, which are crow's feet, fine lines. So try and focus on these areas to smoothing and delaying first signs of aging. I also put this in a bowl of water so you guys can see the pulsations of the Foreo Luna 2. This is also 100% waterproof, non-porous, and has an antibacterial silicone cover. One full charge lasts up to 450 uses, so you do not need to charge this multiple times when you're traveling. Now, based on my experience, I would just like to share a few things. Now, the Luna 2 just gently exfoliates the top layer of your skin. So when you follow up with your skincare products, specifically your facial creams, it gets absorbed into your skin a lot better and doesn't really sit thick on your skin. I have also felt when I have applied makeup after using this, my makeup sits on my skin more evenly because there's no bumpiness or roughness on my skin. You just have to use this for about a minute twice a day for best results. So guys, that was all about my experience with the Foreo Luna 2. In case you have any questions or doubts, please leave them in the comment section below. I have left the links and more details in the description box, so please check it out. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!